In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate overpayment on Xero. If a customer pays a little more than the invoice amount, you don't want that extra to vanish into a miscellaneous income account. The correct approach is to match the payment to the invoice and record the remainder as an overpayment on the customer's account, so you can apply it to a future invoice or refund it later. We'll handle this entirely from bank reconciliation, which keeps your ledger, tax, and customer balances clean and in sync. Start in your bank account and open the reconcile screen. Locate the bank statement line for the customer's payment. Choose Match to search for existing transactions. In the list that appears, select the related sales invoice. Xero will preview the allocation. The invoice amount is covered first, and if the bank line is higher, you'll see a remaining difference. That difference is what we'll capture as an overpayment for the same contact. Before moving on, double check that the contact and date mirror the bank line, and confirm the invoice currency and tax settings are correct, especially if you work with multiple currencies or tax rates. With the invoice selected, open New Transaction right in the reconciliation pane. Because money came in, pick Receive Money. Next, choose Direct Payment, which tells Xero this is being created straight from the bank statement rather than from a separate invoice or credit note. From the options, select Overpayment. This creates a customer credit, not extra revenue. Ensure the contact is the same as the invoice you matched, and if helpful, add a short description or reference so it's clear why the extra was received, such as a rounded bank transfer or a prepayment. You generally don't need to pick an income account here. Xero posts overpayments to the customer's receivables balance automatically. If you use tracking categories for reporting, set them now so your future analysis remains accurate and consistent. When everything looks right, hit Save Transaction. The statement line now reconciles in full. The invoice is paid, and the surplus sits on the customer's account as an overpayment. You can apply that credit to the customer's next invoice or process a refund later, and the audit trail will clearly show the payment, the matched invoice, and the resulting credit. This method keeps revenue recognition correct, maintains customer balances, and simplifies any later application of the funds. And that's it. You've successfully allocated an overpayment in Xero, kept your reconciliation tidy, and ensured your customer ledger remains accurate.